Good evening, children. I am Vivek Agarwal and I am starting a new series of shortcut technique for quick maths. The name is Math Magic and I am your teacher and host. So let's start. In today's session, you will be learning one shortcut method to do quick calculations, and also I will teach you a magic trick. Are you ready? Let's go for it. Today's trick is multiplying any number with double nines, triple nines, quadra nine, penta nine, and not just long calculation but in 2 to 3 seconds. Right? So let's check it out. The mantra which I'm going to give you is write the number less by 1, more to go, it's not done, minus all from 9 and last from 10, it's math magic, not art of Zen. Now any mantra cannot be remembered just like that. It has to be practiced. Once you practice, it remains with you lifelong. So let's learn this mantra. Let's practice it out. So I'm taking one example. Multiply 69 with 99. Now this is very small and quick calculation which you might have done or might be doing it. Is you write 69, you write 99, and how do you do it? You multiply 69 by first 9 digit. So you get 621 and you write that 621 once again. So there are two calculations, and third you add them up. So you get 6831. How much time does it take? Around 10, 15 seconds, 20 seconds, right? Okay, would you like to learn this in 3 to 4 seconds? Possible? Okay, how to do it? So our mantra was write number less by 1. What is our number? 69, which I'm going to multiply, right? So 69, you're going to less it up by 1. What do you get it? 68. And what is our second line? More to go, it's not done. So 68 is not the answer. There is something more to be done. What is that? It is minus all from 9 and last from 10. Means in 69 number, our last digit is 9. So that we will minus from 10, but all but 9 is 6. So 6 we will minus from 9. So let's see. 6 will be deducted or subtracted from 9. And 9 will be, which is last digit, 9 will be subtracted from 10. So what do you get? 3. And what do you get? 1. So your answer becomes 6831. Now do you see that? Is it the same? Yes. So it's math magic, not art of Zen. But you have learned something, but it's not yet completed. So let's practice once more, and let's take a little larger number this time. So our number is 345 and we're going to multiply with 999. Now in our usual practice, we write 345, we multiply by 999 and multiply by 9. We get 3105, then write the 3105, then write the 3105, and then we add it up. We get 344655. Little larger number, little longer calculation, and possibly somewhat frustrating for some of you. So let me give you a quick trick. Our mantra, write number less by 1. So write 345 and less it or subtract 1 from it. You get 344. Now more to go, it's not done, so it's not complete. I have something more to be added. Now minus all from 9 and last from 10. So here last digit is 5, that we will subtract from 10, and other digits which is 3 and 4, that we will minus from 9 individually. So here it is 3 and 4, subtract from 9, and 5 we subtract from 10. What do we get? 6. What do we get? 5, and we get 5. What do we get? The entire answer is 344655. Isn't the same? And it's math magic, not art of Zen. I hope you are clear by now. In case you have missed, you can go back to my video, check those steps once again so that you get the complete grip on it. Okay? Right. Now, you can take more examples like that. Now, this I am giving you a sort of exercise to practice. So it is 248 multiplied by 999. Take a little larger number. 325, 28 multiplied by penta 9. What I want you to do is solve this and write the answer in the comment box. I want to see right answers. Now, something which you need to note down. Now, some precautions you have to take. Now, what you need to see is the digits have to be same, which means if I'm taking 248, now this is 3-digit number, it should be multiplied with 3-digit nines, right? Similarly, if we are taking 5-digit number here, it should be multiplied by 5-digit nines. Okay, it should be n by n. Then only this mantra will work. Now, I take some example. Now, if I multiply 69 by 99, I get 6831. This is same calculation if you do the usually what you do, and by this mantra it's the same. If you do 345 with 999, you also get the same answer. Now, I did some experiment just to tell you. So if I take 386 and multiply by 999, not 999, so mantra will give you 385,614. It doesn't like that. It goes and its own pattern, but actual answer is 38214. So it will go wrong. So don't apply this formula. Don't apply this formula if the digits are not same in both the numbers. Similarly, if you take 86 and multiply with 999, your formula will give the answer 8514, whereas actual answer is 85914. So you would get it wrong. What you need to do, ensure the digits are same in both the numbers, right? Let's move forward. Alright, so now it's time for magic trick. Are you ready? Right, so today I'm taking mind reading session. Now what I'm going to do is, you think of the number and I will read your mind. Alright, so here is my method. First you have to think of a 3-digit number. Okay, now this number should be in such a way that all the 3 digits are same. So like 111, 222, 333, like that, up till 999. 000 is out of your syllabus. So what you will do is, think of a number from 1 to 9 where all the 3 digits are same, right? Now let's call it number A. Now what you need to do next is, add all the 3 digits of that number. So if you have taken 999, then 9 plus 9 plus 9, it will be 27, and let's call this number as B. Next, what you need to do is divide the number A by B. So what you have number A, you need to divide by the number B. I hope now you have done your calculation. Okay, so let me now read your mind. I'm getting a number. I think your first digit is 3. Let me get the other digit as well. I guess I have got it. It's 7. So your answer is 37. How's that? Do you want to learn this magic? Yay! So let me teach you how to do this trick and impress your friend as well. Alright, so what you need to do is understand this. This 3-digit number can be XXX because all 3 numbers are same. So if the first digit is X, all the other 2 digits will also be X. So we write that number as XXX. Is that right? Right. So this is our number A. Now the value of this number would be, the first X is on 100th place. The value is 100X. The second X is on 10th place. The value is 10X. And third X is on unit place. The value is X. The total of this number is 111X. Let's call it A. When you add all the 3 digits of XXX, it will become X plus X plus X. Total becomes 3X. So you write number B. Now you want to divide A by B. What you're actually doing is, you're dividing 111X by 3X, or X get cancelled, so you get 111 divided by 3. So let's do this maths. 111 divided by 3, you get 37. And note, there is no X. X is always cancelled, which means what? Whatever number you will think of, whether it is 111, whether it's 222, 333, 555, 999, whatsoever number it is, the answer will always be 37. So, in fact, irrespective of what your friends are thinking of, the result is 37. Let me show you some calculations on that. So here take some example. Some of you might have thought of, if 111 sum is 3, you are dividing 111 divided by 3, you get 37. If your number is 222, the sum of the digits is 6, you are dividing 222 by 6, you are getting 37. If your number is 555, the sum of the digits will be 15, and by division you will get 555 divided by 15 is 37, isn't it? So which means your answer will always be 37. You don't tell this trick to your friends, you just do it and they will be surprised. They'll say, "Oh, how do you read my mind?" And you will become magician. I will tell you more such tricks in my next video. So stay tuned. You can subscribe my channel and also press the bell button so that you come to know whenever the new video is uploaded. Also, you can share this link to your friends in case you want them to learn as well. So goodbye for now. We'll meet you soon. I want to see your comments. Don't forget that.